Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Cashflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of cash flow. Cash flow refers to the money moving in and out of your finances. Recognizing your cash flow is essential for effective budgeting. Start by gathering all your income sources. Include your salary, freelance work, rental income, and any side gigs. Next, calculate your total monthly income. Write down each source of income and their amounts. Now, list all your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include rent, utilities, and loan payments. Variable expenses can be groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have both lists, calculate your total expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you your net cash flow. If your cash flow is positive, you're on the right track. If it's negative, adjustments will be necessary. Review your variable expenses to identify areas for reduction. Consider setting spending limits for non-essential categories. Next, create a cash flow budget. Allocate specific amounts for each category based on your calculations. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app for tracking. Regularly update your cash flow budget as income or expenses change. Monitor your cash flow weekly to stay on target. At the end of each month, review your cash flow. Look for patterns in your spending habits. Identify what worked well and what needs improvement. Consider setting savings goals to reinforce good budgeting habits. Adjust your cash flow budget as needed based on your findings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.